Hello, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. Answering interview questions. This is the part 1 in this series. In this series, I will be making videos and discuss the questions asked in the job interviews of mine as well as the community members in detail. Draw shear force and bending moment diagram for propped cantilever. A propped cantilever is a cantilever fixed at one end and supported at the other. Here in this picture you can see load P is applied at a distance A from point B, and from point of load application to fixed support length is B, total length is L. So below picture you can see shear force distribution, where at the extreme right it is RB, and it continues up to point of load application where it starts where it changes its sign from positive to negative, and it will become RA until the fixed support. RA is equal to P minus RB. That is a shear force distribution diagram, and below is the bending moment diagram. Bending moment at support RB equal to 0, and it increases linearly up to point of load application, and from there it starts dropping down. At the end of the fixed support it will become M2. In between point of load application and fixed support, somewhere it will change sign from positive to negative. On the left side I have given some equations to find reactions and moments. Write down torsion equation of a round bar subjected to torque. Here in this picture you can see a round bar of length L and radius R, subjected to torque T. Theta is angular displacement. So the torsion equation is T by J equal to G theta by L equal to tau by R equal to tau R by R. Tau R is stress on any arbitrary plane where radius is R. So J is polar moment of inertia, that is equal to pi r power 4 by 2. Draw stress distribution in round bar subjected to torsion. Here in this picture you can see a round bar of radius r subjected to torque T, and stress distribution is plotted, and at the center stress is 0 and it increases as the radius increases, and it is maximum on the outer plane. Guys, please email me your questions. I will make videos on them and discuss them in detail. If you send the answers also, that will be a great idea. My email ID is on the screen and in the description box also. Let us make this community more interactive. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.